Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Napoleon Hill's most powerful principles from Think and Grow Rich, autosuggestion. Now, don't let the word scare you. Autosuggestion is simply the practice of influencing your own mind. And the truth is, you're already using it, whether you know it or not. The only question is, are you using it to build success or to sabotage yourself? Napoleon Hill defines autosuggestion as the process of training your subconscious mind by feeding it repeated, intentional thoughts. Here's why it matters. Your subconscious mind doesn't filter. It accepts whatever you tell it, especially when backed with emotion. If you keep saying, "I can't do this," or "I'll never succeed," guess what? Your subconscious will believe you and act accordingly. But if you repeatedly affirm, "I am capable, I am building wealth, I am making progress daily," then your subconscious begins to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions toward that outcome. Autosuggestion is like planting seeds in the soil of your mind. Negative seeds grow weeds. Positive seeds grow fruit. Here's how it works, step by step. Define your desire clearly. Your subconscious can't act on vague wishes. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I will earn $10,000 a month by creating a digital business that helps people." Repeat affirmations daily. Hill recommends reading your desire statement out loud at least twice a day, with belief and emotion. The emotion is the fuel. Visualize success vividly. Imagine what it looks and feels like once you've achieved your desire. Your subconscious mind thrives on pictures and emotions. Guard your mental input. Autosuggestion isn't just what you say, it's also what you consume. The books you read, the videos you watch, the conversations you have, they're all programming your subconscious, for better or worse. Think of autosuggestion as the daily programming of your mental software. Garbage in, garbage out. Greatness in, greatness out. Let me give you an example. Jim Carrey, the actor, once wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it 5 years into the future. He carried it in his wallet and visualized it constantly. Years later, before that date, he got a movie deal paying him exactly $10 million. That's autosuggestion at work. He kept repeating and visualizing his desire until his subconscious aligned with it, and his actions created the opportunities to make it real. Now, you don't have to be a celebrity to use this. Every entrepreneur, athlete, or leader who affirms their vision daily is practicing autosuggestion. So here's the truth. You're already talking to yourself every day. The question is, what are you saying? Autosuggestion gives you the power to consciously shape that inner voice and turn it into your greatest ally. If you want success, you must feed your subconscious with thoughts of success. Clear, positive, and repeated daily. Eventually, those thoughts will guide your actions, attract opportunities, and move you closer to your desire. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more timeless lessons from Think and Grow Rich. And let me know in the comments, what's one affirmation or belief you're choosing to plant in your mind starting today?